How do you make a product video with Creatify AI? This tool is really interesting for creating products with AI. So let's click on Creative Tools, go to Product Video, and it says convert a product into an image and more. Okay, as you can see, it's marked as new. So we'll select it, and here we'd simply upload our product. Got it? Here we have different options we can choose from. If we want a product shot, all of this is done with artificial intelligence, right? Obviously, it uses templates studied and trained by AI, but it's still impressive to see. Okay, we have the avatar showcase, see? In case we want an avatar showing the product or a person talking about it. All right, let's do the product shot, okay? Now they'll ask us what product we want to feature. I'll grab a reference image, and as you see, they're using lots of bottles and such. I'll try to pick a slightly unusual object just to see how it turns out. Look here, for example, I've chosen to select a racket, okay? So here we describe where we want to place the product. For instance, on green grass near a river, all right? Let's say we want it vertical or even landscape, yeah? We'll go horizontal to see more content. As you can see, we can directly select the output here. Got it? As you see, it's made for products like we're viewing, creams, jars, right? Things that are somewhat square, I'll give it total freedom. Obviously, choosing a template would look great, but let's pick a model here. We can use Smart Blend, Model 1 or Model 2. Okay, as you can see, we can upload the product image here. Okay, up here, that's the ideal spot. The reference image here would be for the background. Let's add a reference image. All right, for example, this one here. Okay, I'm not too picky, so let's upload it, and there it is. Okay, then we'd click to generate an image. Right, as you can see, it shows the credits it'll use. If I choose Model 1, it uses 1 credit, and Model 2, how much does it use? 1 credit too. Okay, let's pick Smart Blend, hit generate, cost 2 credits, click generate image, and it says generating image in 2 seconds. Okay, 2 minutes. So as you can see, again, it takes quite a while. We get 10 free credits just by starting the presentation. As you can see, we have this video clip section, but also these templates, okay? If we're looking for a safe bet, honestly, this is the safest option you can have, all right? A video template of this. Clearly, it's more obvious here that it's AI generated, but the result is still quite impressive. And here we have the first image, see? Now I'll grab the reference image. The reference image is this one here, the racket. I literally used the same racket and it recreated it perfectly. Here we can write what to update, delete parts, or even generate AI video, then bring it to life, okay? So yeah, this is the result, and it's honestly mind-blowing.